Good morning. All right, we have a new TEK today. So our new TEK is 4.4a, and it says add and subtract whole numbers and decimals to the hundredths place using the standard algorithm. We're going to update this a little bit because right now we're just going to be focused on the whole numbers. So we are not going to be focused on the decimals place value currently. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding and subtracting whole numbers only using the standard algorithm today. So we're going to work on this all week. So we're going to do adding today, we'll do subtracting tomorrow, and then Friday we'll do some problem solving mixtures of both. So let's just review addition really quickly. So your TEK from 3rd grade, it was all about same thing, adding and subtracting whole numbers, but you only went to the thousands place. This one can be larger, anyway, to the billions place. So let's add some numbers together. So let's do 23,862. Let's add 3,981. Well, if it's written like this, my first step is I need to line my place values up, line them up on top of each other. So like my ones place, I need to put underneath my ones place, tens place under the tens place, hundreds place under the hundreds place, and then thousands place under the thousands place. So make sure you line your place value up. And now I'm going to add place value by place value, starting with the smallest one. So I'm going to start here in the ones place. So 2 1 plus 2 ones plus 1 1 is 3 ones. Now I'm in my tens. So I've got 6 tens plus 8 tens, or 6 plus 8. So what is 6 plus 8? What is it? Do you know? It's like I'm in real class. Okay, it's 14. So you put a 4 here because I can't have 14 tens, right? It doesn't fit. I can't put 14 tens in this one place value spot. So I regroup, and 14 tens is really like 140. So I've got the 40 here, but I added an extra 100. So now I have 100 plus 800 plus 900. So 100 plus 800 is 900, but what's 900 plus another 900? Would be 1800, and I can't fit an 1800 right here in this one spot. 1800 is really like 1800. So I put the 8 here, right? Carry the 1. So now I have thousands. 1000 plus 3000 plus 3000 is going to be 7,000. And now I have 20 million plus no 10 millions is still 20 million. Oh, sorry, not million, 20,000. Goodness, thank you for the correction. So I have 27,843. Let's try another one. Get my eraser. So what if we had 180,302 plus let's just do 894. Well, this is a little number. Where do I put it over here? You know, do I put it here, 894, and add like this? You know, where does it go? Does it go here in the middle, 894 here in the middle? What you have to do is line it up by place value. So this 4 is in the ones place. It has to go beneath the ones place for that other number. 9 is in the tens place. 8 is in the hundreds place. So they have to sit on top of each other anytime you're adding or subtracting numbers. So let's add my ones place first. 4 ones plus 2 ones is 6 ones. 9 tens plus 0 tens is still 9 tens, or 90. 800 plus 300 would be 1100, but I can't fit, right, 1100 in this one place value spot. So I put the 1 here and carry the 1000. So 1,000 plus 0,000 is 1,000. 80,000 plus no thousands is 80,000. 100,000 plus no thousand is still 100,000. So the answer was 181,196. So you guys are going to practice adding numbers on the next slide. Go ahead and grab a sheet of notebook paper where you can solve your problems and put your answers in. Good luck.